I'm Christopher Batman. I'm a weld tech, but I'm a assembly out here at the Winchester plant. What I do in my day most of the time is I'm an early bird, so I get here like an hour early. Usually I unlock the door, turn the light on outside for people. Usually if I'm here before Joe, I'll go get the air compressor turned on to get the stuff ready for the day. Then I'll go and get some hot chocolate, sit in my toolbox, wait, and then I'll clock in. Figure out what job I need to be on, get that clocked in. So what my job entails is a lot of assembly work, trying to get things put together. Sometimes we gotta weld pieces on at assembly. Then break will happen at 9. Do that, for 10 minutes, and then I'll just start working again. So what I enjoy about assembly is it's kind of like Legos. Kind of like Legos growing up as a kid, putting them together. Putting things together, different solutions you can find while assembling. And then also it's kind of like, I like finding the interference problems, like things that don't jive, that kind of gets overlooked a little bit. I think that's pretty fun, challenging for me. Go to lunch, eat, joke around with the guys, come back out, work. Usually get my tasks done. I gotta get Joe and like on 2 or 3 other tasks. Then break will happen, last break will happen. Work for 2 hours, and then we'll stop at 5 minutes before the bell. The bell goes off, and get cleaned up, close all the doors, get things picked up, and then we go home.